The weekly code quiz. What image format would you use for a small moving graphic or animation? GIF. What does GIF stand for? GIF is an acronym for Graphics Interchange Format. What are the advantages of using GIF? GIFs are appropriate when you need an animation on your website that is beyond the capability of CSS. What are the disadvantages of using GIF? GIFs cannot be used for complex images. The best images are simple and use few colors, as GIFs only support 256 colors. GIF files are larger than static images and will typically increase your loading time. What format did Microsoft develop for computer icons? ICO. What is the advantage of using ICO? ICO files are scaled appropriately because they consist of one or more small images at multiple sizes and color depths. What is a common use of the ICO format for web? The ICO format is used for the Favicon. What is a Favicon? A favicon is a small image that can be customized that appears on the browser address bar when going to a website. Presented by Designers Learn Code.